Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in with the adult Microsoft account that set the controls. Once signed in, make sure your Xbox 360 is connected and up to date so settings save correctly. Navigate to the guide, then go to Settings and Console Settings to reach Family or Parental Controls. You need the account password to change restrictions. If you don't have it, pause and recover the Microsoft account now. This step unlocks permission to alter content, communication, and purchase limits immediately. Once in Parental Controls, select the specific child profile you want to modify. You will see categories like Access to Xbox Live, Title and Content, and Communication. Adjust each to the desired level. For removing controls, move ratings and content limits to the least restrictive or disable them where allowed, and allow purchases or messaging if required. Make sure to confirm each change and enter the adult account password when prompted, so the console applies the new permission. After saving changes, restart the Xbox 360 to ensure settings propagate. Then sign out and test by signing into the child profile to confirm access to games, video, and online features you adjusted. If something remains blocked, recheck that you changed the correct profile and entered the adult password correctly. Sometimes a cached restriction requires signing out of Xbox Live and back in. If problems persist, use Microsoft Account Recovery or contact Xbox support while keeping your account credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.